Like any machinery, forklifts can break down over time. In this video, we'll discuss the 5 most common forklift parts that break and how you can fix them. 1. The engine. Forklift engines are designed to be durable, but over time, they can break down due to wear and tear. To fix the engine, start by checking the oil levels. Ensure it is clean and fresh. Next, check the air filter and spark plugs. Make sure they're clean and functioning. If this doesn't solve the problem, it may be time for engine repair to forklift tires. Forklift tires take a lot of abuse in the warehouse and can easily wear down over time. To fix it, start by examining the tire for any cuts or punctures. If the tire is simply worn down, it may need to be replaced. Be sure to choose the right type of tire for your specific forklift. 3. The brake system. This is one of the important safety features on a forklift, but it can fail to function properly over time. It is one of the important safety features on a forklift, but it can fail to function properly over time. To fix it, start by checking the brake pads and calipers for wear and tear. If they're worn down, replace it. You should also check the brake fluid levels and ensure they are free of leaks.